Living in Miami Gardens offers vibrant energy, diverse communities, and easy access to the excitement of South Florida. But with that energy often comes one common challenge: noise. Whether it's traffic from busy streets, nearby construction, or sounds from neighboring homes, outside noise can disrupt your comfort and peace indoors. Fortunately, modern noise-reducing windows provide an effective solution for homeowners who want to create a quieter, more serene environment without sacrificing style or energy efficiency. Here's how these advanced window systems can transform your Miami Gardens home into a peaceful retreat. Understanding the need for noise-reducing windows. Miami Gardens is known for its lively atmosphere, but when it's time to relax or focus, constant background noise can be a problem. Traditional single-pane windows or poorly sealed frames allow sound vibrations to pass easily into your home. Noise-reducing windows, however, are specially designed to block or absorb sound waves, keeping unwanted noise out. This technology creates a calmer indoor atmosphere ideal for working from home, getting better sleep, or simply enjoying a quiet evening without interruption. For families, retirees, or anyone looking to improve indoor comfort, these windows are an investment in both quality of life and property value. How noise-reducing windows work. The secret behind noise-reducing windows lies in their innovative materials and layered construction. Instead of a single pane of glass, these windows typically feature double or triple panes of glass separated by air or inert gas, like argon or krypton, which reduce sound transmission. Laminated glass, made of 2 layers of glass bonded with a sound-dampening interlayer that blocks mid to high-frequency noises like voices, car horns, and sirens. Tightly sealed frames and weather stripping, which eliminate the small gaps where sound can enter. This combination not only reduces noise levels but also improves insulation, helping to keep your Miami Gardens home cooler and more energy efficient throughout the year. The benefits go beyond sound reduction. Noise-reducing windows don't just make your home quieter, they deliver a range of other benefits that enhance comfort, safety, and efficiency. Improved energy efficiency. The same insulation that blocks noise also minimizes heat transfer, reducing your air conditioning costs during Miami Gardens' hot summers. UV protection. Many noise-reducing windows come with coatings that filter harmful UV rays, protecting your furniture, flooring, and artwork from fading. Increased security. Laminated glass and stronger frames make it harder for intruders to break in, adding an extra layer of home protection. Enhanced property value. A quieter, more energy-efficient home appeals to buyers, making these windows a valuable long-term investment. Perfect for Miami Gardens' climate and lifestyle. Miami Gardens homeowners experience a mix of sunny days, high humidity, and seasonal storms. Fortunately, noise-reducing windows are built for this kind of environment. Many models are designed to handle both Florida's heat and the occasional strong winds that accompany tropical weather. Their durable materials, like vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum, resist warping, corrosion, and moisture damage. With professional installation, they also form a tight seal that prevents both noise and air leaks, keeping your home quieter and more comfortable year-round. Plus, these windows come in various styles, including casement, double-hung, sliding, and picture windows, so you can maintain your home's aesthetic while gaining superior performance. Professional installation makes all the difference. Even the most advanced noise-reducing window will underperform if it's not installed correctly. Gaps, misalignment, or poor sealing can allow sound to slip through, defeating the purpose of your upgrade. That's why working with professional installers in Miami Gardens is essential. Experts understand how to handle the city's unique climate challenges and ensure your windows fit perfectly within the frame. They also use proper sealing techniques and high-quality materials to maximize sound reduction and energy efficiency. With professional installation, you can rest assured that your new windows will perform exactly as intended, providing lasting peace and comfort. Experience the difference of a quieter home. Once noise-reducing windows are installed, most homeowners immediately notice the difference. The hum of traffic fades, outdoor chatter becomes barely audible, and the entire atmosphere feels calmer and more private. It's not just about blocking noise, it's about enhancing your daily life. Whether you're enjoying family time, working remotely, or unwinding after a long day, your home becomes the quiet sanctuary you deserve. Final thoughts: in the lively neighborhoods of Miami Gardens, peace and quiet are luxuries worth investing in. Noise-reducing windows combine style, performance, and durability to give homeowners the best of both worlds: the energy of city life outside and the tranquility of a peaceful home inside. By choosing high-quality materials and trusted professional installation, you can enjoy a quieter, more energy-efficient home that truly feels like your retreat from the world.